There we go. I just got her out from under all this, and now she's doing it again. Is it Halloween yet? I honestly don't know how this is going to end. She seems happy enough under there. She spends every night underneath it, just not quite like that. What are you doing? Complete silence, except from the dickheads around here. She doesn't seem distressed, so I don't want to free her as such until she starts freaking out. And you'll know when she's not happy. And that's what was in there all the time. Hello. Sammy, that could be one of the greatest pieces of film ever. This is a galah called Sammy. And she loves you all. There you go. Bye.